Hey, I wanted to talk to you guys about if you decide to make balms and salves. They tend to, I mean, you have to think you're using like the base of an oil infused with an herb, a couple oils, whatever, and beeswax. So they're going to be a little greasy. So if you're looking to make them and you want to like tone down the greasiness a little bit, you have a couple of different options of things that you can use that are going to help you. You can use one, cornstarch, and two, you can use arrowroot powder. So when you have like your oils melted down, you add your beeswax, it's melted down, just add it right into there when you're doing the double boiling method before you pour, and make sure that you sorry, and make sure that you just mix it really well. And even if it's melted, like the beeswax is fully melted, let it go to make sure that it's still like the powders mixed really well and they are absorbed really well. Sorry guys, but I just wanted to let you know that there are options, and this should make it so your concoctions aren't as greasy, right? All right guys, bye.